Hi, it's 9:50 a.m. on 20th of June, and right now we are going to do a very quick market watch. This is the first version. So, from a company perspective, we can see that companies like Bank of Baroda gave a good run, and going forward, I think companies like National Alum and ICICIGI, VOLTAS also gave a very good run, and I think it's still a lot of upside maybe possible in Voltas in the coming short time, and this will definitely be in my company which I will be tracking in short time. And from India Bull Housing Finance had a good run in the morning, but unfortunately there was some sell-off from the higher levels. So going forward, I think from a long perspective, I think companies like ICICI GI, Voltas, Gujarat Gas would be in my radar for the next 1 hour of trading. And of course, this SBI Life has been facing a resistance around about 117. I already did a video on this chart structure of SBI Life, which you will find in my channel, and also from MGL is also trying to breach the 1140 levels for some time now. And other than that, there's not much of a movement. So most of this companies you can see, Axis Finance, Bajaj Finance, all the big names, they have had a lot of selling, and right now they are trading in red. So I also companies like ITC normally, which tries to support the falling market, but is also not able to sustain at higher levels. And I'm seeing Dr. Lalpath Lab has also made an all-time high, and now it's sort of in red. And HDFC Life has been really weak since the morning, and this is also what I tweeted earlier. And ICICI Prudential Life Insurance has also been not able to sustain at high levels, and now is trading at days low. So going forward, as you can see that there is a lot of big fat red candles compared to green candles, which are very limited. From a company perspective, I think GRASIM and Adani Entertainment maybe, and UBL, these might have some follow-up run, but in general I think the market is especially Nifty is not really going to move much based on the companies which I have right now, which are working, because over here you can see in the top these three rows, there's absolutely not any big Nifty 50 contributor which is running, whereas compared to here you can see the huge big names. I mean, even companies like Marico, Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto, HCL Tech, even IT is Infi. So even IT is not able to, and also Steel, say JSW Steel, and is also so from a sectorial perspective, there's not. Maruti, we already discussed how this is going to fall, and this is exactly what happened in the morning today. So, and Tech Mahindra, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, yeah. So, and yesterday we also discussed how CUB is going to fall. So it also happened. I am surprised with IOC over here, but that's how market is. Yeah. So going forward, I think today would be more like. At least for now, 9:30 doesn't Larsen and Tublo we also discussed yesterday. Yeah, so going forward, I think most of the big sectors and big companies, they are not able to sustain at high levels, and they are facing some selling. So even companies like Tata Steel. So yep, I think going forward I would be cautious for now. And Berger Paint is one company which is very near to 108, 15, 20 region, and this was also discussed yesterday. So maybe this would be able to give us some move. And yeah, so that's it. So from sectorial perspective, ONGC is running because of ONGC and Gujarat Gas and IGL also. That was these other three companies which were also discussed in yesterday's market watch. You will find it in the upper right hand corner for today's trade and how this trade can go in. Yeah, so from a sectorial perspective, I think there's not much of a pattern which has evolved. The only thing which I can tell you right now, few of the trades which I took was in Aarti Industries and Deepak Nitrate. These were very much so these were the early announced, and Naveen Fluorine had a sell off, and now it's trying to recoup, and this is also trading at all-time high levels, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's not able to take it out today. Yeah, so going forward, I think ONGC 125 is important, and 125 if breached, it can easily go towards 129, and this will be one of the trades. And the things which I will be keeping an eye on is how GRASIM, UBL, and Adani. I don't trade Adani, but this Adani would also be something of a interesting interesting thing to keep an eye on. Other than that, Naukri is also, we have already analyzed Naukri and RDC Limited. So you can see that our whole focus is right now on smaller nifty contributors rather than on big nifty contributors. But no matter what, the good positions have been made in Gujarat Gas, ICICI, Lombard, and India Bull Housing Finance have faced some resistance. I won't be VOLTAS. So the position from a position perspective, and National Alarm has a result move. So basically, you have to be cautious. So I won't be going into National Alarm for now. And yeah, so that's it. Hope this market watch video is going to be helpful and helping you in trying to understand the sentiment of the market, and maybe something changes, because till now it looks that more, you can see more of the companies are here which are big fat red candles compared to over here. So this is how the whole market looks like. Thanks a lot for listening, and have a nice trading. Yeah, bye bye.